let's get started. First, you're gonna need a few gifts that you can purchase from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. Then you'll need plastic wrap. Doesn't have to be the expensive kind. And you're just gonna take your gifts and you're gonna wrap them one at a time. Put a few layers in between the gifts to kind of give it a little bit of a challenge. As you can see, I have some large items. You don't want to put those in first. Use the smaller objects to kind of get the ball rolling, kind of speak. A few other gift ideas that I wanted to do were money or lottery tickets. It kind of just depends on the players who's playing and what they would like. For adults, you could make it fun and do little shot bottles. But this was a party for only females and young and older, so I got a few different things that I felt like we would all like. But I simply just went to the Dollar Tree and got a few things, and it was Christmas time, so I also bought a few stocking stuffers. And as you can see, I'm just putting a couple layers in between and then just placing an item and then just keep wrapping it. And you don't want to keep going in the same direction. Kind of turn the direction a little bit because you want it to be a challenge. And once the ball gets bigger and fuller, you can start putting the big items in. Because if you try to do it in the beginning, it's not going to work. You'll poke holes through it. You can also use this game for birthday parties, just game night for children or adults. We just so happen to be doing it for Christmas. It's just a really good gift-giving idea. So just adding a few more layers to get the game started. Don't want to make it too easy for them. And because it's Christmas, I just added a bow so we knew where the starting point was. And there you have it. And this is us playing the game. It was so much fun. So you basically just take the dice and you roll them. Once you get doubles, then it becomes your turn and you give the dice to the other person, and then it's your turn to spin the ball. I will say I wish I bought smaller dice because it was quite difficult to roll those big dice. I just got them because I thought they were cute. Oh my goodness, she was amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.